What's up guys, it's Steve at Precision Graphics. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of our production capabilities. This is our GraphTech plotter, which we mainly use for contour cutting solid color vinyl graphics. Over here is our Kundo flatbed printer, which prints directly onto substrates like corrugated plastic, acrylic, PVC, and foam board. This is how we print yard signs, event signage, displays, and more. This is our laminator area, where we add a protective film to enhance our prints, adding durability and a professional finish. Behind me is our Suma flatbed cutter. It has an onboard camera that reads registration marks from both printers to accurately cut each material to its proper size and shape. This machine has a ton of different tools, including knives, creasing wheels, and a router. If you have any questions about our capabilities, contact us using the email in the description.